everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video, I would like to share you guys a tutorial on how to change the language on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, so without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial. Okay, as you can see, this phone is using English for its primary language. So now I'm gonna switch to another language. Okay, first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then you can scroll down till the bottom and go to system menu, and then you can go to language and input. You can click for it, and then you can click language. So here the main language is English, and I want to add another language. So there are so many language, but I will choose Indonesia as my primary language. And then the language will switch off immediately like this. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to change the language on Infinix Smart 8. And thank you so much for watching guys.